keynote. Moving forward, dear Smashers, we are all, okay, there's some love coming back to you.
Where's the lawyer?
Mr. Sandil. All right. So, as you mentioned, as Pradeep mentioned, Smash Up is for the startup, by the startup. So we got to have startups on the stage and startup off stage, and we got to give each one of you a chance to come here and express, pitch your company or hire. So what we're going next into is called Talent Hunt.
And the way this starts is that we had over 90 startups who listed themselves for various positions that they were looking for. There were co-founders, there were technical experts, there were media gurus, and so on and so forth. We had companies from technology, from retail, from media, from entertainment and arts, so it was a fairly wide spectrum. And the jobs ranged from the mundane to beer lovers, bungee jumpers, not normal people, and purple cows, right? So among these startups, we've listed 4 to take the stage. This is how it works. Each founder / co-founder will take the stage for 240 seconds. In Indian language, that is 4 minutes, right? And in those 4 minutes, you will try to convince, so there are a lot of potential employees, partners, robots, human beings in the audience whom you will try to win over. At the end of 4 minutes, we will do something to tell you that your 4 minutes are basically squishy in your face, and that's your time to stop, right? And then you can network offline. It'd be always a good idea to spend the first minute explaining what your company is about, the second minute who you're looking for, the third minute just roughly, just very, very roughly, so what you can offer them, and obviously you want them to come back to you. So like Mahesh, you can blatantly give the number that you pick up. That is incidentally his real number, just FYI. He picks up that number. So contact, who am I? Who are we looking for? What can we offer? And how you can get in touch with us, more or less. But if you had something else that can fit in those 4 minutes, so be it. Please put your hands together, Smashers, for our first company on stage, and this is Places by, and Ashwini Gaur is going to take the stage. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. So what I'm saying is we all go to different places every day. We search for all the information for all those places on internet. But how many of us actually go and review a particular location, a restaurant, all this kind of local business on a local review site? Very few of us. But all of us wants to get that information. On the other side, all of us are very active on social networking site, Facebook, Twitter, Foursquare and all. And we love to crib, praise, and do all about stuff on those social networking sites. So what Places does is, Places get all that information from Facebook, Twitter, and Foursquare, and show it to your meaningful manner, analyze the data, and show you what are the popular places in your locality. We are live. We have a mobile optimized version, we have a web version, and we have an Android application. You can just go to our website, places.com, PLAYCEZ, and see, experience it. We are looking for founding members on the technical as well as sales. We are focused on the local businesses side, and we're looking for people in expertise in that. Why we should join us? Because we make awesome products. Just go and see Places and you will love it. We are just 10% done. You can be the part of other 90% story, and that's it.
That is done, Ashwini. You drop on stage, please.
Shall I begin? Cheers, folks. I'm Puneet Sharma, founder of Bear Shop. First, coming to what Bear Shop is. Well, let's walk through what you do when you shop online. You hop from site to site looking for the best price. Or what you do is, if you are smart enough, I know most of us are smart enough, going to a price comparison site and grabbing the best deal there. But did you always know that the deal you just bought was the best deal? What we noticed was that online stores secretly keep changing the prices. Then Then came in the concept of beer shop, where online shopping meets Sensex, hence the product Bear Shop. Bear Shop is available at bearshop.in, and we let users buy at the lowest price and buy at the right time to buy. What we are looking for is co-founders, and for the robots, if you still want the jobs, you can join us, but you have to be a good coder, and of course be a lover, because we know that and we have proven it. Coding skills improve with the beer. And what we are offering is, that's kind of confidential, but still for the people who are interested, meet us. We are in the beer teas. Those who register with us, you can have the beer shop teas right here at the IIT. And women, we also have t-shirts in your sizes. So contact us. Beer would be Sunday evening. That is it. Thank you.
Just a quick poll, nothing racist about this. How many of you people are called Shah here? Shah. How many of you have a second name Shah? 1, 2. Just put your hands up nicely so that I can see you. Just 1, 2, 3, and 4. Can I have your hands up, all the Shahs in the house? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 hands, yeah, I can't see the Shahs in the house. So, okay, 2, 4, 5. That's it? 5. And how many of you people have a first name called Vimal? Vimal. Vimal. Did you put your hands up, or were you just waving to the lawyer? No, my wife is a lawyer, so you know you have my sympathies and all of that stuff. So Vimal Shah, where are you? That's the question. I'm sorry, there was no other way to do this because we just figured out this auditorium doesn't have mobile network. Vimal Shah from Axis Entertainment is our third team on stage. Possibly. Speed Dating got his term sheet, formed team members, is possibly AccessEntertainment.com is live right now and page rank 1 on Alexa. But if you're not any of those things, can you just please raise your hand so that you can get your 4 minutes? We'll wait for you. But in the meanwhile, can we have Pranav Sheel from Care to Cure, please? Thank you. Pranav Sheel.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Pranav. We have an online portal called easemyhealth.com. We are largely a healthcare at home service, and we have created a concept called a health manager, derived from the wealth manager thing in the financial domain. What we do is to provide healthcare services at home through the health manager delivery channel, and products like elderly care, palliative care, post-hospitalization recovery. We have been in existence for about 1.5 years now. I'm looking at a co-founder kind of a team member, and it's in terms of qualification, we're just looking for anything, it's fine. A healthcare / medicine background would work, that would be better. And in terms of what we provide, again, it's quite open, but we are looking at an equal kind of a relationship. And equity and pay scale is everything as par with the other founders. Thanks.
Startup founders forgot to give contact information. You know, you can do that card one at a time, or you can just say, Mahesh Murthy style. Yeah, there is an efficient way to do this, and there is a slow way to do this. But anyway, so can you guys hang around in the first row so that people can find you if they need to get in touch with you? First row here. All the people that just presented, for whoever is interested in you.
Right, so there are only 15 startups who are going to be featured here during the day for the talent hunt. But if any of you would like to pitch your company or for talent, we've got the Startup Katta outside where you have the Shout Fest. It's sort of a lounge. You can grab the mic during lunch, during coffee, and pitch your way out.
Sure. Okay. 3/4 of our audience because everybody's busy pitching to Mahesh and Vishal. So, a quick couple of suggestions. I think we'll just do a quick talent hunt right now, which is 3 teams back-to-back pitching. And I think we should break for lunch. Is that a good idea? Is that a bad idea? I can't see the squishies. 1, 2. Boss, you guys don't have. So you throw it flat, you throw it far. Okay, so this is good. So this is what we'll do. We'll have, we'll just do a quick thing right now with 3 startups, and then we'll break for lunch. But I would request you guys to keep lunch short, right? So what we will do is we'll have the VCs back here, because you guys will try to pitch to them and schmooze and so on and so forth. So we'll get the VCs here, so you guys will follow. Lunch will be from 1:15 to 1:45, because you'll have to stand in line for plates and all that. So can we have a list of next 3 startups?
Unplugged. Check. I think we have Knowledge Unplugged lined up for a talent hunt. The founder of Knowledge Unplugged. Why don't you go up the stage? Yeah. Yep. 240 seconds.
Let's make this quick so that we can all go for lunch. Knowledge Unplugged aims to liberate great scientific research from behind expensive paywalls. 1 in 4 cancer researchers, similar to my co-founder, cannot read what their peers are publishing in their subject area because they just can't afford to pay $30 to $40 to download 1 research article. So what we aim to do is to create an online platform like iTunes where wisdom is available for just 99 cents. How do we do this? Not through some technical mantra, but rather through strategic partnerships where we want to promote this idea of open access publishing by tying up with funders who actually fund research, and through them getting knowledge creators like academics, pushing them to publish as open access as opposed to going to commercial publishers who will steal the copyright to your work and then sell it at a high premium. Why are we here? We've come all the way from Sri Lanka looking for 2 things. 1, we want a great technical co-founder with skills and actually experience in developing for the web as well as developing for the Android platform. But more importantly, we want to find friends or evangelists who are well grounded in the academic scene here in India, who can become a promoter for our idea within your university system. It could be an existing lecturer, a private research person in a private research lab, or even a passionate student. So please do connect with us. Go on Facebook and find us on Knowledge Unplugged. We already have a community base of around 800 people from Sri Lanka, India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh. Or you could tweet me at Puri_W. Yes, it's Puri like the oily Indian roti, Puri. Thank you.
Next up we got R Magnet, and after that we've got User Innov. Are you here? Yeah, before you take up stage, a quick announcement. All the startups, all the 8 startups who've qualified for the Smasher Award in the evening, please make sure you line up your PowerPoint decks over here so that we have them in place.
Sorry. So note for founders who are pitching, I know there's not much of a crowd, but these are the really committed people.
This is outside at the Shout Fest, you know, just in case.
Hi entrepreneurs and entrepreneurial teams. Myself Naval Marwa, a professional headhunter. Normally I help startups to fund their team and find them, but today I am over here to find 2 co-founders for myself, or team members for myself. And I am quite nicely dressed for the occasion. You can see my future R Magnet, future human capital exchange. Frankly speaking, I'm sure all of you have seen Sholay. I feel like Sanjeev Kumar today, a Thakur who has come to find Viru and Jay, who can conquer the gabber of success to my R Magnet, my future human capital. And I see 12 to 15 months down the line, I would see my Viru and Jen sitting over there and telling other startup and entrepreneurs how did they succeed. Coming back to my venture, Our magnet is going to be a future human capital exchange. Imagine MakeMyTrip.com for recruitment. It's balanced on the talent acquisitions. So if you log on to that, you can on one single click get the resumes from multiple portals, or you can connect with multiple recruitment consultants, testing agents. That's one part of it, which makes the life easier and recruitment cycle shortened. At the same time, we have a host of number of software as a service applications. So if you want to be an entrepreneur, let's say you want to be an entrepreneur to start a portal, say startupjob.com, just come to us. We'll configure 1 hour and you can start your portal in 1 hour and you're a ready-made customer on the exchange. I'm looking for 2 people. One, a technical who can be a co-founder. Another can be from marketing aspect. One who's exposed to the marketing, product engineering, and customer acquisitions, can be a co-founder or a team member. Both of them would play a key role in business and strategic decision making. I will offer them an equal relationship. No owners or co-owners, they would be the owners. And I would be just like Thakur of Sholay, sitting there watching them doing and conquering the world, except that the only difference is my arms are intact and I'm strong yet. And I can also complement their efforts to make sure nothing goes wrong for them. My current state of my project, a considerable money has been already invested. A large part of product has been developed, and we are ready to go for market seeding activities, which will be revenue earning activities. We have lined up funds for the next 12 months. We should be looking at VCs or funding arrangements maybe 12 to 15 months from now. Our strategy is to earn cash right in the beginning so that we'll become more sustaining. So I'm looking for those serious people who are passionate, and they need to have one attitude. Apart from being innovative, they need to be jugadu. They need to make sure the impossible become I am impossible. And I'm willing to give them the terms one would like to have from their own enterprise. In fact, we are willing to look at other aspiring entrepreneur if they have an idea which can be strategic or could be synergic to us, and that's what we are looking for. My name is Naval Marwa, and my telephone number is 98201-62462. Connect with me anytime. And my colleague over here, can you just stand up and you can read some of the numbers over there on the back of her t-shirt. It's our magnet, the future human capital exchange.
ये माइक मुझे दे दे ठाकुर.
The longest talent hunt pitches for now. You use your time to the best. I think we'll break for lunch because our user Innov is still not here. We have a request for a quick talent hunt pitch by Samir. Samir, I'll give you 2 minutes.
1 minute and no film references. 1 minute. And you can do it here so we can save time.
Questions. Who wants to holiday for free? Who loves to holiday for free? Great. Who wants to die rich? Nobody wants to die rich. Who wants to live rich?
Kushis.
And who wants to be part of a legend company from India who's gonna be the biggest travel portal in the world, competing or maybe bigger than Expedia? Come and join me. Samir Patil. My number is 98206-52578. Thank you.
What's your name?
I'm Ashish Pingle. I'm from Hammer and Mop. Hammer and Mop is basically a facility management and property services provider. We do home cleanings in Mumbai and in Goa. We basically have a crack team. Think of a pre-Diwali cleanup, you know, that level of service that we give. We clean up each and every corner, each and every square foot, each inch of your house and make it sparkling new, as good as new. We go for customized plans once a month, once a year, as much as you want. You can go for your kitchen once a month, washrooms twice a week, your bedroom maybe once in 3 months. It's completely on you. Soon, you want to start? hammerandmop.com.
So, you know there's a prize if you're active and you're engaged during our panels. So before we get on to the next talent hunt, I've got a quick announcement. You got to look around you, below you, around your chair, if there is a squishy lying around. Quickly, and pick all the squishies lying around your chairs. All right. You got them? Can I see a squishy in every hand? If you have, yeah, please, spread the love. No, don't love VC too much here. Okay, so yes, you have a question?
One person who is making pie.
Oh, that was a very good question. You got to pitch your startup next time. Alright, so we're going to go to talent hunt. Next up, we've got Manav Yagnik from Decimal. Are you here? Alright, you're up next. The time starts now.
Hi, good afternoon, everybody. I think I got a nice chance especially after a session on bootstrapping, and I would speak something about my company. Decimal Technologies, 3 co-founders, around 2.5 years old company. We develop mobile applications which are meant for enterprises. So we have certain products, not products, essentially solutions for variety of businesses, like say for CRM and lead tracking, activity tracking solutions for banks and financial services, and also order booking solutions for FMCG. We have 10 clients, and we are completely debt free. We have not taken any funding, and last 2.5 years we are cash positive, and like things are going fine right now. Suddenly we see that like in the course of last 2 years, we have been able to suddenly we find that many more businesses are getting warmed up to this entire moving on their entire thing to mobility, and we see a lot of demands and lot of inquiries coming from lot of customers who were earlier not listening to us. So right now we see a huge opportunity, and we are thinking of doing some serious expansion. Still not closed down on funding and all. Probably we'll bootstrap for some more time, because we'll be able to manage. But I think as it was spoken about in the earlier panel, which was team building, so that is something which we need to do on an urgent basis. So in terms of specific roles, we are looking at delivery heads, we are looking at head of sales. But frankly, this is something which I'm not too convinced about whatever I have written here. We would like to engage with anybody who is good at whatever is your passion. We have a need for you. So you could be a great person in sales, we need you. If you are good in technology, we need you. If you are good in marketing, we need you. If you are good in account management, we need you. If you are good in international sales, we need you. So kind of we are ready to engage with anybody, and we would love to have you as part of our team. Why should you join us? Okay, just to give you a little bit of background about the promoters, like 3 of us, we all studied together at IMA, and we all started this company after on an average 13 years of experience in our respective corporate worlds. So pretty much like whoever joins us is very much part of, especially at senior level, is very much part of the strategy building team. Somebody said in the morning that what people need are challenges, and challenges are plenty. And fortunately, there is the funding position is also good, so that any talented person who like comes into our team has a lot of resources to implement his or her ideas. So you get full autonomy, and right now we have not decided on we have not closed out on stock options, but that is also there in the offing. So as and when that happens, definitely we would like to share the equity part of it. But yeah, mostly we look for very informal, typical startup type of energy which is prevailing here. So if you have that, and if you are really convinced, then we would be like, I personally would love to engage with you. In terms of phone numbers, I don't know if you will be able to remember it, but let me just speak out again. It is 96196 96938. I'll just repeat 2 more times. 96196 96938.
96196-96938. Or you could go to our website www.decimaltech.com, and in fact our mention is also there in the black book which has been circulated. So would love to engage with you. Thank you.
Thank you, Manav. And I think if you're good at throwing squishies also, they may have an opening for you, right? You said whatever. All right. Speaking of the black book, good you mentioned it. I forgot to introduce when Milab was on stage. Milab Shah. Can you wave your hand? So he's the guy from Princeton, and they've printed these cool black books that you've got all across. And it's an interesting book. It's an interesting resource book if you open and flip through it. We've got a list of all startups participating in SmashUp. We've got a list of investors, a list of incubators, a list of cool startup movies and books also in it. And of course, if you guys are into taking notes, we've got a few pages for you. VC's got an announcement to make.
Okay guys, so we recognize one sponsor, Milab. Please give a big round of applause to Princeton. Lots of stuff got lost in the noise outside, so I'd also like to extend thanks to our gold sponsor, T Labs. Polite applause. They're in room number 11. Just a quick note for all of you guys that were hounding. T Labs is in the house? No. It's in room number 11. Have you been there? No, you haven't. Okay. So if you have an idea or a company, they'll give you, and if they like it, they will give you a valuation of 1 crore, put 10 lakhs upfront in through a check, help you set up. It's run by the Times of India group. You go through a 13-week intensive incubation / mentoring, and hopefully they'll give you a startup wings. So if you have an idea or a startup and you need quick money, and I think Vishal and Mahesh have left the house, so your funding things evaporated. You know what their numbers are, right? 1 in 300 startups. So better chances with T Labs. Hopefully. Okay. How many of you guys have ever tried to raise debt funding for your startup? Very important thing, we missed it. Everybody keeps talking about debt funding. Yeah. So we don't have a partner here, but I'd like to take a few moments. I'm a big fan of a scheme that Government of India promotes called CGT-SME. How many of you guys have heard about it? CGT-MSE, sorry. Good. You helped with that. It's 1 crore. It's 1 crore in unsecured debt if you can swing it with your bank manager. And they've done, you've got it, I've got it, he's got it, you've got it. Do you have a clue of how much money they've disbursed since inception? You guys have any idea? And do you think money is tough to come by? Yes. Okay. 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 Without collateral. So there are so many schemes out there that actually give you money on debt. And my request to all entrepreneurs is, please examine all options. CGT MSE has incidentally distributed 30,000 crores of loan funding so far. Yeah? So that's something to remember. Right? You don't need to part with equity. You can raise a lot of money through debt. Thank you. Maro mat yaar, achhi cheez bol raha hu. Okay, important, another one of our partners, so they provide HR services. So if you have a small and growing company, you don't have money to spend on an HR solution, they do that.
So Sandeep, can you just show your hand? Sandeep is from Important.
Yes, from Important.
And he's been a very benevolent sponsor. He's also volunteering and running the console. So big round of applause for Sandeep, please.
Mango Suites, absolutely the best place to stay, no? Service apartments. ServCorp, T Labs we've spoken about. I think TiE deserves, sorry.
We've got Monica from ServCorp. Monica, if you could.
Monica, just stand up, take a bow. We'll give you a nice round of applause.
Right.
I said nice. Okay. And I think all of you guys owe a nice, really big round of applause to the TiE team because they put all of this together for you guys. That's a nice round of applause. Thank you. TiE is a non-for-profit voluntary organization that is run by entrepreneurs for entrepreneurs. Membership is really cheap. We have discounts going if you do a 3-year membership. Shameless plug for TiE. I'm a member, he's a member. everybody who's smart and good looking is a member. You should be a member too. Okay, just a quick, somebody sponsored, thank you. Somebody sponsored, thank you. Somebody's, Aspire Cerebra, wherever you are. Cerebro, wherever you are. Mohammad Khurakiwala wants to do some business with you, right? I have his number here, you can collect it from me. Thank you so much.
Alright, quickly moving on to the next talent, and Ashok Hariharan, ID Fly. Sorry, ID Fly. This is handwritten.
Hi everyone, I'm the CEO and founder of IDFi. What I would like to start with is a story. Think of, there's a person called Ram. He's in a god-awful city called Delhi. And he has a dog, he has a couple of kids and a wife. And his dog is really, really tired of Delhi. And it's like sweating in the summers, it's too cold in the winters, and it tells Ram, hey, you know what, I want to go to Bangalore. Bangalore is much better weather. And now Ram has to get up and go to Bangalore. Now the big problem here is he has to find a job, he has to find a new home, and he has to find a new school for his kids. Now all of this requires a bit of trust. That is, to look for a job, I need to establish trust and credibility in my job search. When I have to look for a home, I have to establish some credibility with the landlady or the landlord, as the case might be. Now in both these cases, this is where IDFi comes in. We are a trust enablement platform, and we enable trust in consumer-to-consumer interactions, be it any interactions, from dating, jobs, or even finding a new home in a new city. Now, what are we looking for? We are actually, we are a startup we are about a year old. We just raised funding. We bootstrapped for about 9 months, and we raised funding we just closed funding about a month back. I can't mention the name of the funders yet. But, and we are looking for some senior members, essentially in product management and head of consumer marketing. Now, in product management, it's slightly different. We're not looking for people who come up with features, but more of user experience design. We're looking for guys who basically, one of the things that we talk about at IDFi is about making the platform good enough to lick. And that's what we want to do. If you are a designer and you love designing and you design great products, this is the place to be. We want products which are good enough to lick. And a second, thank you. And so finally, why would you join IDFi? Essentially, it's a fun place to be. We are all young. There is equity that we give out to the senior members. And we are, well, I don't know if any of you noticed my shirt. It says, there, I don't know if you can see it. It says Codegasms. We have Codegasms on a daily basis. Everybody's excited about code. Even our marketing guys are talking code these days. They code, everybody's coding, everybody's talking about code, and we love it. And that's the reason to join. And if you guys are interested, my email ID is ashok@idfi.com. Please do send me a mail. Thanks.
Thank you, Ashok. I wonder if you were really showing your shirt. Next up, we got Ritvich Parik from Cracks Giving, right?
I'm basically working in the field of cause marketing. Every firm that is at the peak of any industry, whether it is Zendesk in help desk management or it's P&G, all of these companies are trying to appeal to the customer's soul, heart. They're trying to go further from just giving a discount to actually building an emotional connection with their customers. And this is what is cause marketing. You have social media to make your marketing campaign social, but there's no technology to implement cause marketing in a very transparent way. We've built TracksGiving, which allows customers to track a donation from the business onto the NGO and eventually how it is used. We are a very young startup. We are being incubated by Unlimited India. It is a launchpad for social entrepreneurs. And our first big client would be a large bank in India. We'll be implementing a campaign across 750 branches in India. It's essentially, presently in the firm, it's only me. I'm looking for as the company grows, we are looking for people who can join us. I'm looking for a technical co-founder who can spearhead the product development so I can shift to marketing and sales. And why you should join us? We are not essentially, I don't know if we'll be profitable, I don't know if we'll be a large business, but surely we are doing a high risk, bold innovation, and it is generating a significant amount of interest in marketing agencies, social firms, etc. So if you're looking to do something really creative and really challenging, you should join us.
So, Ronak Hemdev, can we have you up? So can we just queue up Ronak Hemdev? There's a change in the schedule. And since Mr. Patil mentioned about these gates, I'm curious why people are not coming up front. So the startups will come up in the first two rows. Startups will come in the first two rows and ask the smartest question, get to pitch the startup next. Okay, I'll simplify it. The guys from the first two rows who volunteer to pitch their business will get to pitch their business. So anybody coming up front, please come ahead and grab these chairs before we move on to talent hunt.
My name is Ronak Hemdev and I am the co-founder of a company called Contact Diaries. Contact Diaries is a mobile application that provides information about everything that's going on in Mumbai City and Goa. We are currently out on Blackberries and Android, and as you can see, we have been ranked top 20 in the Blackberry app poll and in the Android market. So any of you guys who are passionate and keen about working with a company which is growing, which wants to reach the #1 spot in the app world, please come and join with us. We're looking for about 3 or 4 people to work with us, 1 in the marketing and sales field and 2 in the tech wizard. In the tech wizard, we're looking for someone who has expertise in database architecture and administration, and also in JavaScript, jQuery. So if you guys really want to come up with us, we are building a really good team. As you've heard a lot from all the co-hosts and all, that team building is one of the most important things to do. So please do contact us. My telephone number is 98205-85666. We will be happy to work with you all. And I would really like to thank you, Smash Up, the event, and the people who have put this all together, because we have actually managed to get in touch with a couple of companies who we know are going to add value to us. Thank you.
Giftopia, that's Ubiquity Consumer Services.
My name is Paritosh Likite from Ubiquity Consumer Technologies. We have something called as the Giftopia platform, which is a loyalty and incentive management solution / platform for various corporates. So think of us like a payback in the corporate world. Think of situations where you are able to instantly incentivize your peer. A manager is able to instantly incentivize his team, maybe for staying late on Sunday nights, or a sales force is incentivized through a single and very compact system directly, with the incentives going to the respective salespeople, etc. So we essentially have developed a SaaS-based loyalty platform which can be used for incentives all over. We are looking for a co-founder, ideally with someone with a very detailed sales and marketing background, specifically in corporate sales. We're also looking for folks who are senior members in the corporate, sales area. Equity is definitely an option. Why should you work for us? Early stage in the loyalty space. We've got some good traction with a lot of companies, and we see a lot of business coming up ahead, with various corporate areas. It's a big market. There is competition, so there is a lot of challenge. There are a lot of challenges to be overcome, and we'd like to have you on board in our team to help us do that. Thanks a lot.
Ninad Deshmukh.
Good afternoon. I am from slightly different sector, not technology, not .com, but
Have to wait for the queue.
into FMCG sector. My product is basically a nutrition product for children based on Amla. So I'm looking for not proprietor, I am a proprietor of the company.
What do you want to pitch for?
So I'm looking for the marketing and sales head who can look after the modern retail.
You get a
This product is really got good reviews. I was one of the contestants for the YouTube pitch Bloomberg season 2, and I have great fans like Vishal Gundal and Alik Kojriwal for these products. So I think this is exciting market. Health food industry is growing very fast. So you have a great potential to be a second man in the company. And I think the why should you join is you'll get the equity and a great potential to grow with the company. Thank you. 9969414168 or info@unihill.com. 9969414168 or email is info@unihill.com.
You got next up Sameer Parwani from Coupon Dunia. Sameer, and not utilizing their full time slots, which gives us an opportunity to invite 2 more spot entries for Talent Hunt. Are there any hands? Spot entries for Talent Hunt. So you could come ahead, and if you want to pitch for Talent Hunt, you can come ahead and see us. Sameer, you're live in 3, 2, 1, 0.
Hi, I'm Sameer Parwani from Coupon Dunia. We're India's most popular coupon code website. What we do is we provide an extensive and reliable database of coupon codes. You take those codes to an e-commerce merchant and you get a discount. You just type in the code and you hit apply, you get the discount. So we have over 300,000 monthly visitors right now. We have healthy revenue, and it's growing very well. It's growing alongside the growth in e-commerce, which is about 50% a year. So it's a good growing company, but right now our team is very small. I just hired my first 2 full-time in-house employees this month, but we can and we can and we want to hire many more. So you'll have the benefit of working in an early stage startup, but without the concern, will this company ever make money? Because we already have a ton of users and we're making good money. I'm one of the smashers, so we'll talk a little bit more about why things have been slow in the team building process. But basically, right now I'm trying to get to where I need to be with several new hires. I need a tech lead, a head of marketing, head of business development, and as I said, basically you'll get to work in an early stage startup without some of the risks. And you can email me your information at jobs@coupondunia.in. That goes straight to me, even though it's a catch-all type address, but I'll be the one reading it, and hopefully you'll hear from some of you. Thank you.
Thanks, Sameer. We got 1 spot entry for Talent Hunt, ladies and gentlemen, Arnab Goswami. Sorry. Chaudhary.
E-commerce site called giftsocial.in. What we do is gifting to Facebook friends, gifting as a group, these sort of things. I'm looking for a co-founder, a commercial guy, preferably 10 years of experience in customer acquisition, marketing, etc. I'm also looking for a buyer. Buyer means someone who has earlier worked with maybe deal sites, is not happy with there, wants to move out of deal business. Also looking for techies. Thank you.
Thank you, Arnab.
Connect me on info@giftsocial.in. Very simple. info@giftsocial.in. Thank you.
Thanks. 1 last spot entry before we move into the panel. The next panel we'll take you next one. There's a lady wearing here, DG Consultants. You get 1 minute to do a spot Talent Hunt pitch, please.
Good evening. I'm from DG Consulting. My name is Girija Deshpande. We are into soft skills training and behavioral skills training. And we also do a lot of training for management institutes, engineering institutes, and also corporates. Now, what I'm looking for is a person who will design programmed instruction for me to be used on the website, because lots of students and corporates want to learn online. So if I can get a programmed instruction designer, I'm looking for one. And the advantage of working with me would be he can work anywhere else too, because it will be project to project basis. There will be a lot of freedom and flexibility. Thank you very much.
Check. Your contact, please.
@yahoo.com, Girija_Deshpande @yahoo.com, and also 900-40-34-966. 900-40-34-966. Website is www.dgconsulting.in. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's paritosh@thegiftopia.com. Paritosh@thegiftopia.com. 98204-39179. Thank you.
Thanks. So before we go out for the coffee break and you enjoy the goalies, a couple of quick announcements. So we got one pitch here. Is not a startup. Okay, there goes the pitch. So we got a couple of pitches. We've got this talent hunt opened. We got an open talent and an open elevator pitch session. So if you're a startup and you want to pitch, come on here. Before that, I want to invite Ajitanshu from ISEC. We've got a bunch of volunteers from an organization called ISEC, student volunteers who've been running the show over here. Give them 1 minute to pitch about ISEC.
Hi guys, before we start roll calls. So here goes. Hey ISEC! Hey ISEC! So ISEC is the world's largest youth-run organization. Our core product is Exchange. We supply companies with young foreign interns based on the requirements from a variety of backgrounds. So let's take the example of TCS. They were planning to expand in Europe, right, some time ago. So they came to us and they wanted French-speaking engineers. So we supplied them with that. So that's an example I'm giving you. So yeah, ISEC, our second core product is leadership. So that's one reason why we always encourage young students to join us. So ISEC, it's it's present in over 110 countries. Our network is present in over 110 countries. Yeah. Yeah, entrepreneurs. Yeah, so entrepreneurs can always come to us if they have a need for interns. They want to recruit. They can always come to ISEC. We can partner with them in a lot of ways. Yeah. So feel free to contact me anytime you want. Yeah. Thanks. Contact number. Yeah. I'm sorry. Yeah. So yeah, my email ID is ajitanshu27@gmail.com. It's not so hard to remember, I guess. If you all can spell my name, yeah.
Why don't you do a WhatsApp ISEC again so that you see all of you once again?
Hey ISEC!
You're going to meet these people, right? All right. Thank you, Ajitanshu. One more quick pitch from Suraj Goyal, who's our partner, who's got a slot at Startup Pavilion. Before you go out for coffee, I want to hand him over the mic to speak about his.
Yeah. So this is Suraj here, and we have a very interesting workshop which is going on, seminar room number 13. Sorry. And there are a lot of prizes to be won, including personalized photo calendars, free stationery, and what it really helps you is to do the right stationery for your business and the do-it-yourself way. So invite and request all of you to join us there before the next session starts. Thank you. Room number 13. So it is just on the first floor, room number 13.
Okay, all the 7 smashers who are going to present, all the 7 smashers, can I see your hands please? The 7 finalists. Please come and report to Z. The lady standing to the left of me near the console. Please report to Z. All 7 smashers who are going to present in the final event, please report to Z. Thank you. Guys, please come back for Smasher Awards. I mean, don't get lost in coffee and networking.
Couple of startups who are interested to pitch for Talent Hunt or pitch their enterprise. You want to pitch it? Yeah. One more, 2. Any other startup wants to pitch? You want a squishy or you want to pitch? Pitch. Okay, 3, 4. All right. Can you just line up? Until they come and pitch for you, 1 minute pitches. Requesting everybody to occupy the front seats because we're starting the Smasher Award, and I want maximum number of people to get their squishy aims right. So all the backbenchers there. Samir, the gate is open now for you. Forward and occupy these seats. Guys, am I audible or not? Yes? Can you please come ahead and sit over here? I will come. Pitch by Rixon Rodrigues. So Rixon, you got 60 seconds. Why don't you tell us what your company does?
Hi, good evening everyone. My name is Rixon. Basically, I'm an old guy in IT. I started off in 95, 96 with hostings, domains, etc. I've been specializing in internet marketing since 1999. I have something to offer all of you for people who are starting up right now, or have just started up recently or are going to start up. You can get in touch with me if you want to get your website popular online. We are providing free internet services to all startups who are sitting here today. You just have to contact me, no fee, no hidden terms and conditions, no fine print, nothing. It'll be for a period of 3 to 6 months, and if you do well, you can feel free to share back some revenue. Apart from that, just one more thing from my side, I'm looking for people who are PHP programmers or developers. If you have the skills and you would like to start a new company soon, I'll share some ideas with you. Get in touch with me. My name is Rixon again. My number, if you'd like to take it down, is 98209-20509. And if you want to email me, an easy one is ceo@vsnl.com. Thank you. I repeat, 98209-20509. What's your company name? Sharp Solutions. It's not in the book, I'm sorry. Thank you. Yes. Yes, Alok, I'm not from the company though. It started with Computer Education Online when they opened up in 93. Yes.
So he's really a veteran, huh? You better get the free service.
This is my first TIE event, by the way. That's why I wanted to give back. That's why I told Lavin. So, this is what I'm starting. Yes, yes, sir. Okay, thank you, guys. Looking forward to meeting some of you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. So the next pitch, we've got time for 2 more pitches. Come on. Hammered and Mop. Aren't you going up?
We are a 7-month-old company operating across Mumbai and Goa, and we really believe in delivering quality cleaning services to homes and offices. We are also into spas and coffee shops. We are growing, we are expanding. We are looking for outsourcing our cleaning tasks to great service providers, and we are looking for collaborative alliances with companies too. We add value to what you provide. If you are looking for a senior team member, you can deal with clients, you'll be dealing with our affiliates. So yeah, there's this passion, we want to grow, join us. Thank you.
Al Sangvi, 30 seconds for you. Pitch.
Good evening, my name is Vishal Sangvi. I have founded my company before 10 years back. We want to create brands like Skype. Last year our revenue was 10 crores and we have handled 200 million of minutes traffic last year. We're supposed to expect 100% growth this year. I'm looking for good team members to join with my company and also expecting good quality source of investment for my company. Thank you so much. Company website is Setu Info 20447171. My number is 9820447171. Thank you.
To please come in the first row over here. If you're a smasher, you better be here, otherwise you'll miss your turn on the stage. 30 seconds for you.
Spexy. This is 1 month old, which is just started on 1st of April. Now what Spexy does is connects the online with the offline in the sense it allows the customer to try online the product and then connects it with the CRM at the retail outlet. So I'm looking for a technical co-founder. Sorry for this short brief because that's about the time I have. And would be fun to work together. And I just started, so it's an equity partnership. And the number is 9324-141-228. And my email ID is harsh@spexy.in, spexy.in. Thank you.
Harsh? Okay, so there's one more. All right, that's the last, I promise you, that's the last pitch. 30 seconds for you, sir. Please make it quick.
My name is Shankar Pai. I run a foundation known as Make a Will Foundation. This foundation works about making a will. But along with making a will, we want philanthropy to take roots. So philanthropy itself will not really help unless it benefits people. So through the philanthropy, you can become immortal, like Sir Alfred Nobel. through his Nobel Prize, he has become immortal. So we'll help you to become immortal. So what is the business model? We want each parliamentary constituency, say 580 member of parliaments, one of the person from the area will become our franchisee, and we'll get 1 lakh from each of them. And through this, we'll reach out to people for financial inclusion. We have got advisory board members at Delhi, Nasik, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Chennai. Make a Will Foundation. My mobile is 98192155578. My email is nonofficial_sspy@yahoo.com. Thank you. 20th December 2012, we are going to celebrate Philanthropy Day all over.